It's October in Delhi, but it's still raining. Unusual weather patterns being witnessed. Traffic jam from IFCO Chowk in Gurugram to Mahipalpur in New Delhi. This was because of rain-related rains, unprecedented rains, and they have turned into a major hassle for commuters. You see the visuals there of traffic jams, and this is from IFCO Chowk in Gurugram to Mahipalpur in Delhi. So if you're headed to Gurugram, you probably will have to wait for a long time. People are struggling to get home from their offices. These are visuals from today evening. A major accident was also narrowly avoided at Loni Tiraha Cut in Ghaziabad, and this was due to strong rains and strong winds. There was a signboard that was located on the road divider. It suddenly fell onto a bus. Fortunately, nobody was injured, but the fallen board has caused a traffic jam, and this has also led to flight diversions. There are also flight diversions due to rains. My colleague Tanushka joins us with more details on this. Tanushka, completely unexpected, but suddenly weather patterns in Delhi have become completely unusual. It's Dussehra and still it's raining. Tell us what happened today specifically with regard to Gurugram.
Precisely. The skies darkened and heavy rain lashed at several parts of Delhi in the afternoon today, taking many commuters by surprise. This is usually, unpredictable weather at this point. This is not the time when Delhi sees rainfall. The Met Department has issued a yellow and orange alert for parts in the national capital, forecasting moderate rainfall accompanied by light thunderstorms, which is what the case was today as well. The wind speed has been ranging between 40 to 60 km per hour, and not just, wreaking havoc on the streets as in traffic coming to a freeze, but even flights. Some major diversions today. From Delhi airport, 15 diversions were reported to heavy rainfall, and these flights were diverted to, 8 of them were diverted to Jaipur, 5 to Lucknow, and 2 to Chandigarh. And as always, we do know that NCR regions, that is Gurugram especially, gets desperately and very badly waterlogged with even a little amount of rain. So traffic comes to a freeze out there, and commuters have major problems, especially office going, since a lot of big corporate offices are in Gurugram. So to and fro from office to home becomes quite an ordeal for Gurugram commuters as well.
Right. Thanks very much there. You keep close track of the situation there, Vasudha. Of course, there are concerns. Obviously, you must be concerned about getting back home as well because of that traffic snarls there in Delhi and Gurugram.
Absolutely unprecedented weather there in Gurugram and, of course, across NCR.